Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying the foundation. Create one notebook per year and section groups for each course so notes don't scatter. Once created, make sections for modules and a master index page linking pages. This speeds retrieval. Apply a small, consistent tag set immediately: high yield, to-do, concept, image, flashcards. This matters because consistent structure saves hours when studying. Make sure to sync after creating tags and the index to avoid duplicate work. Now you capture material efficiently. For each lecture, create a page with a clear title, objectives, 3 key points, and 1 clinical pearl. This forces synthesis. Once done, drop in clipped images or slides, annotate with pen and highlight, and embed short audio if a concept needs rehearing. Make text searchable by converting handwriting and images to text, then tag and link related pages, so biochemistry connects to pharmacology. That cross-linking turns scattered notes into a study web. Finish by making notes usable. Schedule short, weekly reviews of high-yield tagged pages. 20 to 30 minutes of spaced retrieval reinforces memory. Once ready, export selected pages as PDF for active recall closed decks and back up the entire notebook to OneDrive. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. If sync errors appear, force a resync, clear the app cache, and export a local copy before making more edits. That prevents data loss and gets you back to studying fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.